guys, I'm Yanni with WTI, and I want to tell you today about my favorite diaper backpack. This is the Itzy Ritzy backpack. It's a fantastic size. You can fit so much stuff in it, and it has compartments for everything. I love that it's got insulated pockets on each side so you can keep your snacks and your baby's bottle cold or warm. It's nice that you get a lot of front pockets. I like to keep my keys and my wallet inside here, my phone, another one, a big one right in here. So many different pockets that you can use. Super handy. You get a nice zipper in the back and you get a changing pad, which is fantastic. It's a super nice cushiony changing pad as well. Also, I love that you get these wonderful rubber pads right at the bottom of the backpack. So if you need to put it on the ground, it's easy to just wipe it off with the cloth and you're good to go again. And inside it's just wonderful. You get so much storage, so many different zippers and pockets to store your baby things. It's absolutely wonderful. I can put everything that I need in here, even for a trip. Diapers, wipes, clothes, blankets, you name it. Anything you need for your baby, you can definitely fit in this backpack. The material is great. It's kind of like a leather-like material, super easy to clean. And the straps, as you can see inside, they're very cushiony, so they're super comfortable to go around. So if you're looking for the perfect backpack, give this one a try. It's the best, and that's my point of view.